Link flapping is a situation in which a physical interface on the switch continually goes up and down 3 or more times a second for a duration of at least 10 seconds. When a link flaps, it means the connection between two network devices is unstable and experiencing frequent interruptions. This instability can disrupt the flow of data between devices, leading to network connectivity issues and potential service disruptions. This could be due to a bad, unsupported, or non-standard cable or form factor pluggable, SFP. It could also be related to other link synchronization issues. The cause for link flapping can be intermittent or permanent. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll demonstrate how to configure link flapping prevention settings using the command line interface, CLI. The link flap prevention mechanism minimizes the disruption to switch and network operations in a link flap situation. It stabilizes the network topology by automatically setting the ports that experience excessive link flap events to error disable state ports. This mechanism also provides time to debug and locate the root cause for flapping. A syslog message or simple network management protocol trap is sent to alert you of link flapping and port shutdown. The interface will become active again after a certain amount of time in an error disabled state, or when specifically enabled by the system administrator. To get started, enter the command configure to go from privileged exec to global configuration mode. From here, you can either enable or disable the link flap prevention mechanism. Enter the command link flap prevention and press enter. You'll see the two options to either enable or disable this feature. By default, the link flap prevention mechanism is enabled. If you want to disable it, simply type link-flap prevention disable. If you want to enable the link flapping prevention mechanism, type link-flap prevention enable. The command no link-flap prevention will restore the default settings for the link flapping prevention mechanism on the switch. The next step is to enable jumbo frames on the switch by typing the command port jumbo-frame. For this setting to take effect, you must save the running configuration and reboot the switch. Moving along, you can configure automatic error disable recovery settings. With the command error disable recovery cause link-flapping, you can enable the function of a port that has been shut down by the link flap prevention mechanism to reactivate after a certain amount of time. This is known as the automatic recovery interval. If you want to set up the automatic recovery interval, enter the command error disable recovery interval. You must specify the time interval in seconds. I'll enter 300 seconds. Now, I'll simulate link flapping, which will trigger the link flapping prevention mechanism to shut down the port. After that, I can manually reactivate the port. As you can see, port 10 gigabit 1 has been suspended by the link flap prevention mechanism. You can verify this with the command show error disable interfaces. In this example, the port 10 gigabit Ethernet 1 has been put into error disabled state due to link flapping and is shut down. You can also see the time to automatic recovery. If you want to activate the interface before the automatic recovery interval has expired, you can use the command set interface active TE1 in privileged exec mode. There you have it. Port 10 gigabit Ethernet 1 is up. It can transmit and receive data. That's how simple it is to set link flap prevention settings with CLI. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.